Here's a little helpful hint. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, it's a very cool piece. It's hard to find this gray. Here's something else that is really hard to find. If you look closely, right in here, there is a crack. Make sure when you do buy a real high-priced dispenser that you do look for little things like this. Not only is it a good negotiating tool if you don't mind, but it makes sure that you don't have to visit somebody that's a PEZ doctor. So, yeah. But regardless, if you only want mint things, here is something for you to look for. Look very closely at them. So yeah, quick little hint and tip for you. Good luck. So until next time.